You are from Port Harcourt, you are from Cross River, you are from wherever. You should know whom you are, where you come from, where you are going. That's why reawakening is good to use, but you must remain awake all the time. That they need to remain awake. Us, we are awake. We know where we come from. I repeat it, we know where we are going.
Thank you. Yes, good morning. Thank you for coming. The Delta State Governor, Sheriff Obuwari, has endorsed the creation of Anioma State to join the eastern part of the country. But some people are saying that, even though they are Igbos or they are not Igbos from Delta State, that they don't want to join the eastern part of the country. Is there anything that was actually wrong, considering that the fact that it was Michael Okpara that developed Port Harcourt to what it is today? Where did the mainstream Igbo, let me use that word, because all of those are Igbos, where did the mainstream Igbo actually get it wrong?
Thank you very much, Onyeze. Thank you to all our viewers. My name is Asa. Onyeze, there is something. You cannot stop some people. There are people who have decided in their life to be slaves, and you can't stop them. Slavery's spirit exists. Even when Israelites were going out of Egypt, it's not all Israelites that accepted to leave Egypt. Some of them remained in Egypt. When they were on their way to the promised land, there are many of them also who were planning to go back to Egypt to remain slaves. When slavery was on in the whole world, even in America, there were some slaves who didn't want to abandon that state of slavery. So, it's a spirit. If the state that they want to create now, it doesn't depend on those who say we will join or we will not join. No, the decision is taken. If you are not willing, you can go to the north. That's all. There is you are not begging anybody. Even this Biafra issue that we are talking about, Biafra have a landmark. You know that Biafra starts from this place to the other. So there is a landmark. If Biafra is declared today and the Biafrans are going, if you don't want to belong, nobody will force you. The land of Biafra remains for Biafrans. You can go to the north and, mix yourself, join Northerners and become a Northern person. Nobody will stop you for that. People still sign nationality until today. You can decide to Fulanize. You Fulanize. Onyeze, no problem. So what we know is that River State, the whole River State, is Igbo land. Politicians came to divide us. Even cross the river, we are all together. We are brothers. We have the same culture. We have the same religion. If you see any Igbo man, any cross river person, even any River State person that tells you he's a Muslim, when you verify his life, he must be fake. He joined Muslim because of political gain. And that's all. He doesn't join it because of faith or he wants to be faithful to God. We are Christians. We are Christians. I repeat it. We are Christians. We have the same culture. We are the same people. Go to River State today. You will hear Wike. Wike is Igbo name. It's not by accident that they name you Wike. you will hear Amechi. Amechi is a Igbo name. It's not by mistake. When I was a child, I was attending school at Ichoba. There is a place called Ichoba in Rivers State. Most of them, all of were speaking Igbo, and they were narrating the story about what happened during the war. I was a very small boy. One of them was telling me, he was the one who told me about Ojukwu and many things that happened during the war. And until today, that man is still crying if he's still alive. He has never wanted the issue of Nigeria. Let me be clear with you. So we are the same family, we are the same people. But if you have that slavery spirit, some people have it on yes. There are some people that you can call to come and eat on the table. They prefer to eat on the ground. You can't stop them. Very difficult to change slavery spirit. A person, a River State person that tells you Obi Igbo is not Igbo. What is the meaning of Obi Igbo? Obi Igbo is the heart of Igbo land. You are claiming and you say, this is heart of Igbo land. And after you come out and say, you are not an Igbo person. One woman from River State called me. He said, we are here in Lagos, but crude oil, all mineral resources is coming from our land, and we are not even employed. It is only strangers that are employed. But few people that are eating their national cake there in River State are disturbing the majority. The majority know that they are Igbos. And that minority that are eating on the head of majority are selling the majority. They try to tell them to deny their origin. Oh yes, I can't deny my origin. Wherever, whenever, I will tell you where I come from. I will tell you I'm Igbo man. I will tell you I'm a Biafran person. That is it. So, let me tell you, anybody who say he's against yes, if you are against, no problem, nobody stop you. It is personal opinion. Go your way, go and join Arewa. Leave the land. The land belongs to us, all of us, all the River State people, all the Igbo people. It is our land. Only to verify how many miles away separate us from north. How many miles away even separate us from others. God is not a fool. God put a demarcation. Oh yes, you know, I like when you analyze, when you talk about even the history of Nigeria and the Igbo land. When you talk about it, you know, I used to fetch from you. Whenever you analyze it, I do listen to you. When you go through it, I'm not the one to tell you that we know where we come from and we know where we are going. And you always talk about the unification of Nigeria that was done by strangers. They crossed the whole high sea, Britain, to come here, to come and tell you and I what we should do. And what they told us to do is what we are doing until today. When shall we do our own? That is it. That is it. The demarcation is there. Oduduwa Republic know themselves. Arewa Republic know themselves. If you verify the whole Nigeria, let us be frank. You will know that unity is politicians that are united. But you and I know that even if politicians they are not even united, something is uniting them. We know where we come from. We know where we are going. if the state is created, if it doesn't please you, you say you're a stranger. If you say you are not Igbo, it means you're a stranger. And the stranger can pack and go, no problem. Oh yes, that one is not an issue. Yes.
Okay, well, finally, what is your observation currently now in the planned unification of South and Southeast? Because a lot of them are rising up now to question the rationale behind the so-called South Niger Delta. Talking about General Asabucha, who has said it very clearly, this is a clear-cut manipulation. We don't see this kind of thing happen a few years ago, but it's coming up now. Is there a regeneration or reawakening of the consciousness that there's no South or Southeast, or there is a perception that Republic of Biafra is closer now?
Oh yes, sir. If anybody ignore the reality, I'm sorry for that person. Let me tell you, I took keke with one of our brothers from River State. He has been in River State, and people go there to fool them because of crude oil, telling them we are one, we are the same people, we are brothers. Imagine when Arewa will travel to East and tell a Port Harcourt person that they are brothers. They are more united with them, more than Igbo that is closer there. Even our Yoruba brothers, I call Yoruba my brothers because we are the same African. We'll go to there and tell them we are the same people, we are more closer than people that are closer to you. That man was hearing that. But the day he traveled and come to Lagos, he came to Lagos. When I said, do you know what he told me? He said, hey, he was shouting like a small boy. He put his hand on his head. He said, hey, I thought that we are one. Those people do come to Port Harcourt. They tell us that we are one. And I know that we are one. But when I come here in Lagos, do you know that when they are speaking their language, when I come there and say, what are you people saying? Nobody listen to me. Nobody care even to tell me. I try to mingle myself. I try to, see if they can change language and speak international language, which is English or broken. The one I can hear. Nobody care about, but when we are there, whenever we see one of them, we speak broken to tell them that we are one. But when we travel to the north, they speak their language, they don't care about you. When we travel to west, they speak their language, they don't care about you. He was the one saying, oh, we are not one. So, Onyeze, what I want to let you to know, until now, I keep on repeating it. It is politics of Nigeria that divided and that brought this one you are hearing, South, etc., etc. Divide and rule. And people who accepted to be fooled by that, they accepted to be fooled. Me, I know where I come from. I know where I'm going. Oh yes, you know where you come from now, and you know where you are going. So now, reawakening. I didn't even want to use that reawakening. You should remain awake. Even from the end of the Biafra Nigerian war, you should have been awake and know how things change and know the reason why things are changing. Because in Nigeria, let us be frank, we are not sincere, and the politicians are not sincere. All their changes, they change, things in a way that it will favor them, in a way that it will favor what they need, what they want. They change things